Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your secure communication code in Wise. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on Wise and already logged in, and now right after that, once you open it, you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Wise on in the screen, where you can see your profile picture at the top right corner of this dashboard. Simply click on that option and now you can see the settings option at third. So you need to select that one, and now you will be directed to the settings section, where you just scroll a little bit down unless you find the secure communication code, and just down below it you can see I have already made one, but let me click on it and now you can see manage communication code. So simply need to click on this option and you will be redirected to the another page where you can see change communication code. But instead of this, you will be able to see the create communication code if you are new in here. So simply click on this, the process is going to be same. So in here now you can see your code should be of 420 characters in length, only include letters and numbers, not be the same as your password. So let me create one. Let's say now once you complete your code, simply click on the complete, and now you need to enter your 6-digit code that you will receive in your phone number. Now finally click on the done. And if you don't receive any code, then simply click on the I didn't receive a code and complete few more formalities, and yeah, you will be able to receive your code successfully. So now finally click on the done, and yeah, you will be able to change your secure communication code successfully. And finally click on the done, and yeah, this is how you can create your secure communication code in Wise. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.